with your friends, chillin', day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You'll see I'm not the one you take for granted, babe. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. With your heart and your attention, we're the kind of love that I used to know. Baby, so can you take me on a date? The simple things you do to make me stay. Now it's like you don't even try. I used to wonder why, but now I'm left with no more tears to cry. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. With your heart and your attention, we're the kind of love that I used to know. If you want me the way I want you, put your all into all that you do. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. With your heart and your attention, with the kind of love that I used to know.
Yeah. Talking to my mirror like I love you so much. Curbing all my critics like I heard you, so what? You can't kill my confidence, I think I'm the man. Tally all the I ever gave on my head. Lately I've been living like I can't take a loss. They ain't wanna help me, that's what made me a boss. You can't kill my confidence, I think I'm the man. We don't give a that's what they don't understand.
Back again like flu season. I broke records while loose leafing. I'm coming down my roof, leaving. Don't give a I don't care. Did the for my lonesome. No wonder now I'm on one. No shortcuts on that long run. All I really want is my share. Get on my God, on my totem is nothing. In the discussion, for them feelings I throw on my pain on percussion. This disgusting. I hear them bragging about that they did, and it do not move me, not in the least. They ain't been dropping no seeds in the soil, but swear that you almost spotted the feast. I've been on go mode, showboat, rowboat, wave ride. Cool shorty, too naughty, pool party, wet for the face ride. Annie up, penny down, hand me down, thrift store, old drip. New money, too funny, old shorty, talk about old. I'm on that now, can't get a pass now. I'm a cash cow, keeping it brash now. It's trash now, I'ma spaz out. I've been killing my lows and living on highs. You see in the sky's the proof. You could just see in my eyes that there is no lies. I cannot disguise the truth. I've been duck dog, getting to my new merch, color duck sauce on the new couch with my chucks on. Get the on with that hate. I'm big cool on the small chat, cause I know now that I'm all that. Got a hawk guy on the ball cat, get the out of my face.
Talking to my mirror like I love you so much. Curbing all my critics like I heard you, so what? You can't kill my confidence, I think I'm the man.
Hello, hi, can you hear me? Welcome everyone. Thank you, D-Cop and Soul Sister. Let's just get right into this. This is a lot for me, but I have to do what is in best interest for my mental health, and my children, my family, and especially for my brand and my reputation as well. This is not a game. This video is dedicated to Miss Dovie Milton. I am requesting for Miss Dovie Milton to leave me alone respectfully. And I hope that she respects this legal notice. Under YouTube rules and regulations, when a content creator feels that they are being slandered, dealing with defamation and harassment and so on and so forth through especially third parties, you as a content creator, me, Nicole Harris, the owner of this channel, has the right to respectfully ask for Miss Dovie Milton to any channels that are connected to her, and also to not contact anybody about me in regards to a third party. This is all respectful to the best of my ability to share this. Libel protects victims of published of untruth in Nevada. Libel is a gross misdemeanor punishable by imprisonment of up to 365 days and or up to $2,000 in fines. That is NRS 193140. This is a legal notice. I will be also sending a copy to my advocate and my attorney. May everybody be God blessed. If Dovie Milton comes over here, she will automatically be blocked. I will not contact you. I have not contacted you, Miss Dovie Milton. I don't want you to put any clothes or anything on anything else. Ma'am, I'm asking you respectfully to leave me alone. And friends, affiliates, and business alike. May everyone be God blessed. And you guys have an awesome Monday. I'm going to play the penal code for defamation under Nevada law. Thank you for listening to this, and may God bless everyone.
Spread in public forums can have disastrous consequences for a person's career and personal life. Defamation is an umbrella concept covering legal theories that allow someone who has been wrongfully attacked verbally, slander, or in print, libel, to sue the defaming party for damages. Libel and slander each have their own specific rules. Libel protects victims of published untruths. In Nevada, libel is a gross misdemeanor punishable by imprisonment of up to 364 days and or up to $2,000 in fines. NRS 193.140. An individual harmed by a libelous publication may also sue for damages in civil court. Libel is defined in NRS 200.510 as follows. A libel is a malicious defamation, expressed by printing, writing, signs, pictures or the like, tending to blacken the memory of the dead, or to impeach the honesty, integrity, virtue, or reputation, or to publish the natural defects of a living person or persons, or community of persons, or association of persons, and thereby to expose them to public hatred, contempt or ridicule. Note that NRS 200.510 protects both the living and the dead, as well as individuals and groups. It applies to any form of publication of libelous materials. Publication is defined as any method by which matter charged as libelous may be communicated to another. This covers not only print media like newspapers and magazines, but also electronic communications, i.e., social media and email. Editors, managers of publishing houses, and authors may be liable, as well as individuals who provide libelous materials to a newspaper, as sources, for example. Slander is the verbal equivalent of libel. Like libel, slander involves making damaging, untrue statements about a person. But unlike libel, slander is strictly verbal, and is not subject to potential criminal prosecution. A verbal statement can be more difficult to pursue in court than one that is published, for the simple reason that a published statement usually can be placed into evidence without needing witnesses to prove that the statement was made in the first place. Civil lawsuits for defamation must prove 4 elements. To prevail in a civil lawsuit, a person who has been defamed must show 4 things. The defendant must have made an untrue and defamatory statement. The defendant published or said the defamatory statement to a third party without the authority to do so. The defendant must be at fault for the statement. The plaintiff must have suffered damages. Any one of these elements can undermine a plaintiff's case. A good defense against a defamation claim is, of course, that the statement was true, or was not a statement of fact but instead merely an opinion. One can say I think that guy's a jerk, without committing defamation. But one cannot say, that guy stole the car he's driving, if one knows that in fact the driver owns the car. Proving damages can be a significant roadblock to recovering compensation for defamation. It can be fairly straightforward if, for example, the defendant lied to the plaintiff's boss, she is stealing from the company, and the plaintiff lost her job because of it. But a person's damages from defamation are often less clear. There are 4 cases where the plaintiff does not need to prove damages to bring suit. 1. Imputations that the plaintiff has committed a crime. 2. Imputations that would injure the plaintiff's trade, business, or office. 3. Imputations that the plaintiff has contracted a loathsome disease. And 4. Imputations of unchastity in a woman. Brenda v. Sanford, 97 Nevada 643, 646, 1981. GGRM is a Las Vegas personal injury law firm. GGRM law firm represents clients in the Las Vegas area. If you have been defamed and suffered harm as a result, our attorneys are happy to discuss your legal options with you. For a no-cost attorney consultation, call us today at 702-3.
Once again, this is a legal notice that is to Miss Dovie Milton. Please, Miss Dovie, leave me alone. You have been blocked on all devices. Please do not do any third-party contacts. This legal notice is to be put out on YouTube streets and as well as social media in its whole. I'm just doing this to protect myself. I don't feel comfortable and I don't feel safe creating a brand and all of the things that go along with that. Thank you, everybody, for being here. I can create another live if you guys would like to just talk or whatever, but this is a legal notice to Miss Dovie Milton. Please do not contact me by contacting friends and associates of mine. I'm asking you respectfully, Miss Dovie, leave me alone. The next step will be a restraining order, and I'm extremely serious about that. Okay? I love you guys. Bye.
Woods, pretty face, but I'm known for hitting drugs. Yeah. Got him like, too good. To the yard, he ain't never leave his pretty on God. Broke, too good. Real boss, nigga got the woods, pretty face, but I'm known for hitting drugs. Yeah. Got him like, too good. To the yard, he ain't never leave his pretty on God. Broke, too good. Real boss, nigga